2012 Dodge Charger with the 5.7 Hemi. Came in with a coolant system leak. Thought it was the radiator. Said it was leaking in two different places. I only see one place. Radiator doesn't appear to be leaking directly, but it looks like it's coming from the upper radiator hose. The clamp's been moved. Hasn't been put in the right spot. It's one of those compression clamps that once they've been sitting on the hose for a long time, and if they're not put back in the right spot, they're not going to squeeze it rubber hose correctly. You're going to get a potential leak there. A lot of people will replace these with a install worm clamps, but worm clamps don't actually have giving movement, you know, when the plastic expands. Anyway, let me see if I can get you in here. There we go. The leak's coming from right there. See how this has been reinstalled further back, and this hose here is the original one. It's already been compressed, so really just need a new hose and reattach the compression clamp. Putting a worm clamp on there is not going to be the best thing to do because, like I said, they don't allow the movement of the plastic. When it gets hot, it expands, and you could end up damaging using the worm clamp if you don't tighten down correctly. That's why they use these from the factory. But radiator, being a 2012, I don't know. We'll ask the customer if he wants to go ahead and replace it. It's about $140 my cost. Might be cheap insurance. These things do fail. The plastic tanks do crack. They split at the tanks there on the end. We'll see.